What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be talking about some updates for Sundial Growers stock, trading on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker SNDL. But first, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you get notifications about our future videos talking about the stock market and personal finances. And while you're down there, if you haven't already, be sure to check out the links in the description to get your free shares of stock from Webull whenever you open and fund your account, as well as $10 of free Bitcoin from Coinbase whenever you open your account and make your first $100 purchase of cryptocurrency. And don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice, and let's jump into it. We last talked about Sundial Growers stock here on my channel about a month ago, shortly after the company reported their first quarter financial results. And since that quarterly report, SNDL share price has overall been pulling back, with SNDL shares currently trading under $1 per share at around 95 cents per share at the time that I'm recording this video. Despite the slow start to 2021 in terms of SNDL share price, this year has actually been a solid year for the company in terms of strengthening its business, with SNDL announcing on May 5th that they plan to acquire Inner Spirit Holdings as well as Spirit Leaf Retail Network, a move that should help to diversify Sundial Growers and help them to become a stronger leader in the industry. And with the evolving market in the United States still on the horizon, that could be huge growth potential for Sundial Growers over the next few years. But despite the growth potential ahead for Sundial Growers stock, there also are risks for SNDL. And of these risks, perhaps the biggest risk for SNDL, at least here in the short term in my personal opinion, is the risk that SNDL could potentially be delisted from the NASDAQ if the share price is unable to maintain the minimum price of $1 per share. So with all of that being said, what are my thoughts about Sundial Growers as an investment? For those of you who have been following my channel, you know that I've been extremely bullish about Sundial Growers for quite a while. And thankfully, Sundial Growers came across my radar prior to the WallStreetBets takeoff, so I was able to make some decent money in the short term from this investment. But since then, I've definitely scaled back my investment in Sundial Growers, and I've been using the profits from that investment in order to reinvest into some of the new stocks that I've been talking about here on my channel recently. It's not that I don't continue to believe in SNDL as a longer-term investment, but here in the short term, whenever I saw some profits on the table, I wanted to take those off and reinvest them into other opportunities that I thought had more long-term potential. While I don't have as large of a position in Sundial Growers stock like I once did, I am still holding some shares for the long term and will definitely be continuing to provide some updates here on my channel occasionally. But just remember, my videos are never medical or financial advice. They're merely me researching a company and talking about my opinions about that company based on that research. Sundial Growers is a very small market cap speculative penny stock, and an investment in SNDL comes with risks. So if you're thinking about investing in Sundial Growers stock, please make sure you're doing your own research and only investing if you're willing to accept those risks. What are your thoughts about Sundial Growers? Are you invested in SNDL? Are you thinking about investing in Sundial Growers stock? Where do you think the share price is going over both the short term and the long term? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And while you're down there, if there are any other stocks or topics that you would like me to talk about in a future video, please feel free to comment that down below as well. As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.